So there we go. I'm recording this meeting right now so I can actually put it on YouTube after. So that said, let's start doing some giveaways. First of all, I want to thanks Hobby Hideaway for doing this. I'm doing this so that it helps me out for funds to actually put trailer hitch and buy stuff, ramps, and things like that for parking lot wars. So I do want to buy a trailer hitch for my car. I got to fix my trailer. There's a lot of expenses this year that I got to do to do this, and I do these events for fun and for people to have fun doing the on-road cars. I'm also going to do some drag racing this year with the RCs, and I'm also going to do drifting. So on-road racing, drag racing, and drifting. We'll try to do the drifting at night. It would be fun to do it at night, but we might do it in the day also. Don't know yet. But let's go to the screen. So we have the Hobby Hideaway. Thank you very much. They're the one that are donating this RC, and you can go to their webpage hobbyhideaway.com.ca, and then you can actually navigate through here and get some radio control stuff. They do not have everything on the web right now, but they're working on it. They do have a lot of stuff on here, and this is the hobby store in Orleans, and this is where we actually do our races also throughout the summer. All races right now for on-road racing are every last Sunday of every month. And if you go on Facebook, you can actually go to Ottawa RC Social and event. I will be posting the event there. And the other place that you'll see some of my stuff is actually at the page, The Tank RC, which is The Tank RC. On the Tamiya, I do this year allow some hop-ups. So hop-ups that are allowed and available at Hobby Hideaways are the front CVDs and the front cups, the universal joint cup for the TT-02. Another thing that I'm allowing this year is actually friction shocks, not friction shocks, oil shocks. So the oil, they call it, the mini shocks set. So there's 4 shocks in here. So those upgrades are allowed on the Tamiya for upgrades. So there's the front CVDs, and then you need these cups. And the way I'm going to do the giveaway this today is I'm actually going to spin the wheels. So I've got all the names there for this RC car. The way I'm going to be doing this is I'm actually going to be doing it in reverse. In other words, when your name, because everybody usually says, I never get picked first. So I never get picked. I never get picked. So I like doing the giveaway this way. If your name gets picked first, you are eliminated. So it's the last name standing that's actually going to win this. So just to let you know, it's the last name that we're going to have. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn on the audio because I forgot to turn on the audio when I shared the screen. Share sound. Because there is audio on here. So I'm going to randomize. So I randomize the names. All the 19 names are there. There's 19 entries. And here we go. And remember, this is not the winner. This is who gets eliminated. I am sorry. Looks like Steve. So Steve is eliminated. So I'm going to remove. So you're out of it. And now we have 18 entries left. So let's keep going. We've got 19 times that we're going to actually do this.
John Armstrong.
John Armstrong, you're out of it. Let's shovel this. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do the wheel again. So who's going to be the last one standing? Oh, sorry, Richard.
9 Richard Brooks.
Richard is out of it. Remove. We'll shuffle again. And we have this. Tim. Tim.
14 Tim Butch.
We'll shuffle again. And do the last person.
Steve Towsington.
And I'm removing that name. Shuffle once. We have 14 names left. Joel. Sorry, Joel.
Joel Lagachi.
Sorry, Joel. 13 names left. Shuffle the wheel. Number 5, Greg.
5 Greg Cummings.
Greg is out of there. Do a shuffle. So we have 12 names left.
Ronnie Tan.
We'll remove Ronnie. Do a shuffle. 11 names left. Hey, Chris. Oh, looks like it's going to be Fatty. That's out of there.
4 Fatty Sail by.
Do a shuffle. 10 names left. Oh, looks like Dan's out of it.
Dan Lanthier.
Do a shuffle again. Gonna be Steve or John? Yeah, I think it's gonna be Steve.
16 Steve Towsington.
Remove. Shuffle. So we got 8 entries left. Last man standing. Who's going to be last? Oh, Ronnie Tan is out.
1 Ronnie Tan.
I think that was Ronnie's last one. Yep. Do a shuffle. Tim you're still in there. Now, number three. Oh, there's Tim just gone by. Steve, I think that was his last one that was in there.
17 Steve Towsignet.
We'll remove Steve. Do a shuffle. 6 names remaining. Oh, Bruno. Is it going to go by? Yes, it does. Dave. Sorry, Dave.
2 Dave Walker.
Dave is out of there. So these are our 5 names that are left. Number 3, number 10, number 12, number 7, and number 6. Richard, John, Bruno, John, and Tim. Tim, you're still in there. Let's shuffle this a few times. Go. Oh, is it going to stop on John or keep going on Bruno?
And John Armstrong.
John Armstrong. Sorry, John, you're out of there. So these are 4 guys. I'll do a shuffle once and keep going. So we got Richard, John, Tim, and Bruno that are left. Sorry. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Oh, sorry, Bruno. I think you're out of it. No, it's Richard.
6 Richard Prulks.
Sorry, Richard, you're out of it. So 3 names, John Armstrong, Tim, and Bruno. We'll do 3 shuffle. 1, 2, 3. And you hit the wheel. Gonna be Tim that's gonna be out, or John?
Tim Butch.
Okay, Tim is out. So I'm going to remove that. So 2 names are remaining. Take the picture. Okay, we'll shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now let's see who our winner is. So whoever gets picked gets eliminated, and whoever's left over wins. So the 2 finalists, let's see who gets eliminated.
Well, Bruno Beechan.
Remove, so it's John Armstrong. John Armstrong, you are the winner. You're the winner, John. I'll be sending you an email. I think you did contact me via Facebook. So anyways, I'll contact you via Facebook and try to coordinate with you on where we can meet up for you to get this little guy. Anyways, you'll need a couple things like an ESC and batteries and a receiver and transmitter. So hopefully you have one. If not, I'm sure Hobby Hideaway can help you out with that. He's got a whole bunch of them in there. And I hope to see you on Parking Lot Wars. Thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot for joining us for this. And thanks, Hobby Hideaway, for giving this RC for me to give away to help out the cost for the Parking Lot Wars. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you all later. Cheers.